Hey guys, Carter here with BDS Suspension, and right now we're in Coldwater, Michigan at our home state in our home facilities. We got this brand new 2021 Jeep Wrangler JL two-door Rubicon right here. This thing has the works. It's an awesome Jeep, but we got a call from our friends at Mickey Thompson that said, hey, we got this brand new tire, the Baja Boss AT. And we were pretty pumped to hear about that. We have a ton of success with the Baja Boss MT that has been run on so many of our vehicles. It's awesome on-road, off-road, everywhere we put it. So we got Phil here from Mickey Thompson. Phil, why don't you tell me a little bit more about this tire, what you got going on with it?
Sure, be happy to do that, Carter. So we're really excited about this tire. You can tell right by looking at the sidewall, we really got aggressive with the side biters on the sidewall. 50% bigger than the previous tire. Did a lot of things with the tread. So this is an AT tire, so we wanted to be able to have the highway performance, but also we did a lot with the asymmetrical tread, so you get the off-road performance, which is what Mickey Thompson's known for. So again, very excited about Carter.
Yeah.
A lot of technology in this. Still got your 3-ply performance as well, which is what Mickey Thompson's known for, and just a great product. We're very excited about it.
So we've had a little bit of experience with this. Obviously, it's got a 3-inch BDS kit, so we've got the Fox Performance Series shocks. It's got the Pro Ride coils all the way around. We have our adjustable track bar. We have the sway bar disconnect from JKS. We have all those things on this Jeep really to make it allow to fit this 35-inch tire. So it's a 35, 1250, 18 is what we did for this one.
18, one of the more popular sizes that we sell. So
definitely.
Thought we'd throw her on there and give it a run.
What's the plan for the AT? How big are we gonna go? What different sizes?
The range goes all the way up to 20-inch.
Awesome.
A lot of different sizes in it. I'm gonna say probably 30, 40 different sizes.
So you didn't come to market with like one tire here, tire. You came with a whole fleet.
You're gonna have the typical fitment that Mickey Thompson's known for.
Awesome. And obviously we tout your product all the time because we love running it and how well it performs on and off road, really wherever you need to put the vehicle. They never let you down. So
I'll say we love the relationship with you guys.
Yep.
Great lift kits. Really tops out the performance of our tires with the right lift kits and stuff. So very excited about it.
So yeah, we figured we'd just take a quick break, show you that new Baja Boss AT. But beyond that, we're gonna go have some fun and play with this new Jeep.
Sounds great. Thank you.